Alright everybody, welcome back. So today I'm doing a review on the four-sided diamond hone block that you can get from Harbor Freight. It's got 2, 3, 4, and 600 grits. I haven't done a review on it yet. I've used it for sharpening chisels and it works pretty good, but I want to see what it does to this cleaver that I've made. Cleavers, I've been using it a little bit, so it's kind of got an edge on it. I just want to see if I can put a razor edge on it. So I'm going to just start with 600. So what I'll do is I always use like a lubricant, Windex, but I can use WD-40 just so it allows it to glide across the stones and it doesn't allow the metal filings to get stuck inside the stones itself. So just a little bit on there. Start trying here. The other thing is you want to make sure it's nice and flat. So I did 15 passes on that side, and I'll do 15 on this side. So I can feel there's already a burr on there. Let me wipe this oil off. Yeah, there's a burr. So I'll use my strop, put a little compound on there. Try to strop this blade. Can still feel the burr a little bit, but I want that to go away. See now, let's try it. It's still there a little bit. So another trick I've learned is use the back side of it, and this can take the burr off just by going in one direction. I do that with my chisels. And let me try the other side. Yep, that pretty much removed it. Alright, so I had to do a cut there because my youngest was yelling to me, needed something. So I stropped it, as you can see. I just want to see how sharp it actually is now. Ooh. I'll take that. So, in this review, I'm going to give this, like I said, I've used it on my chisels before. I'm going to give this thing an A. I like it. It works good on the butcher knives and the cleaver. And just strop it when you're done. That way you can have that burr taken right off. And I just used 600 grit that time, and then some buffing compound on the strop itself. So, like I said, I'm going to give this an A. Like I said, I don't remember what it costs. I think it costs like $12, maybe $14, but I like it. It works. You don't want to have to spend a whole lot on a bunch of diamond stones. This will get you done. So until the next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video.